Today I'm giving away an entire backpacking starter kit, and I'm doing it in a way I've never seen done before. And you're gonna decide who gets it. Hey everyone, welcome to Backcountry Forward, where we're all about getting backpackers backpacking. I genuinely believe that the backcountry is for everyone, and I think there's way too many people who aren't backpacking. And I know that there's so many people who are sitting on the sidelines saying, maybe one day, oh if only I could, or someday. I know because that's how my journey began. And I don't know about you, but I sat on those sidelines for far too long. Maybe today we can change that for somebody. What held me back was the gear. I didn't have any, and I didn't know where to start, and frankly, I just couldn't afford any at the time. Or so I thought. Long story short, I did get my gear, and I found a way that I could do it on a budget. But I know that there's so many people out there who are sitting on those same sidelines thinking, maybe one day. And so, today, I want to give away an entire beginner backpacking starter kit. But this isn't like other giveaways. It's not about getting more subscribers or this video to have the most likes. It's not about any of that. In fact, the person who gets this backpack may not even be a subscriber of this channel, and I'm okay with that, because what this is about is us, all of us, coming together as a community to help somebody become backcountry forward. And that involves every single one of you. I'm gonna get to the details of how I'm doing this giveaway in a completely different way than I've ever seen done before, but first, let's talk about what I'm actually giving away. Every backpacking journey starts with, well, a backpack. You need one if you're gonna go backpacking. It's kind of the essential. And this is the MOUNTAINTOP 60-liter backpack. It's the one that started it all for me. And now I'm excited to give it away to see what sort of adventures it could take someone else on. I should just be clear. I'm not giving away my used gear. I am giving away all brand new gear, but most of the gear I'm giving away is the same gear that I started off with. But don't worry, I'm giving away the brand new stuff. The next thing somebody's gonna need is a tent. When I wanted to start going on some of my own solo adventures, it was this tent that I took out into the backcountry. So I'm excited to include it in this giveaway. So we've got the backpack and the tent, but you're gonna need something to sleep in when you're out in the backcountry. That's why I'm excited to also include in this giveaway the TETON TRAILHEAD sleeping bag. This is an awesome starting backpacking sleeping bag, but it has one downside. For me, it just wasn't warm enough to let the adventures continue in the shoulder season. I wanted to get out as often as I could. Well, I'm excited to announce that there's a solution for that. The Big Blue Mountain Company has partnered with me to give away one of their Lazy Bear synthetic quilts. I'll be doing a full review of this amazing quilt in just a few weeks, but to be 100% honest, I've been sleeping with this at home every single night. It's that amazing. If you know that you're only going out and it's not going to be very cold, you might want to just bring this quilt. But during those colder seasons or up in the Alpine, you could bring the TETON TRAILHEAD and your Lazy Bear quilt to add extra warmth to your sleep system. And not only do you get the quilt, you also get the Lazy Bear pillow. But it doesn't stop there, because if you go backpacking for any amount of time, you'll know that one pillow just is never enough. I'm so excited to announce that Trekology has also donated one of their ALUFT 2.0 pillows that comes with an elastic band to keep it to your sleeping pad. You'll be able to choose between a blue pillow or an orange one. So that means you'll start off with 2 pillows, which is great if you're a side sleeper like me. You'll want one between your knees and one behind your head. So thank you so much to Big Blue Mountain and Trekology. You can check out these amazing companies in the links below. But let's be real, you're gonna need something to sleep on, and that's where the Trekology sleeping pad comes in. This pad is amazing. It's not the one that I started with, but it's the one I've been using most often on my recent trips. It's a full 4 inches thick, and let me tell you, this thing is comfy. It's a great pad to get started with, and I'm glad to include it in this giveaway. But backpacking isn't just about hiking and sleeping, it's also about eating, and that's why I'm excited to give away the Malamute Cook Kit. This cook kit is amazing. It comes with a pot, a lid, a frying pan, utensils, little bowls, and a stove. It is literally an all-in-one cook kit that's great for beginners. This entire giveaway is worth over $350, and I think it's the perfect kit to get somebody out there started on their journey. But let's talk about how they get this stuff. This video hits to the core of what Backcountry Forward is all about. It's about getting backpackers backpacking because we believe the backcountry is for everyone. Sure, I could have done the subscribe, like, and comment like most videos do, and I'll probably do something like that in the future. In fact, you can count on it. But this giveaway's about us coming together as a community and getting somebody to become Backcountry Forward, heading towards the backcountry. So this is how it's gonna work. Now, I don't know about you, but I have those friends that I would love to go backpacking with, but they just don't have the stuff, or they don't know where to start, or I've had people reach out to me on social media saying they'd love to go on some of their own adventures, but they don't know where to start. This is all about those people, and this is how it's gonna work. In the comments below, if you know somebody who is deserving of this entire giveaway, put their name and a minimum of 2 to 3 sentences explaining why you think they deserve to get this kit. And then we as a community are going to vote by simply hitting that like button on each of the different comments that we think deserve to win this. So we're gonna decide together as a community. I'm gonna be posting the same video over on my Facebook page, so you can check out Backcountry Forward at Facebook. And between Facebook and YouTube, whichever comment, that is nomination, has the most likes at the end of September will win this giveaway. It's as simple as that. So leave a comment below of the name of somebody that you think could use this and tell us why. Then read through the other comments that other people have posted and give them a thumbs up if you think that person deserves it too. And don't just do this now. Come back in a few days and see what other comments people have left and make sure you vote for those as well. I've got to say one last thing. Maybe this is you. Maybe you're watching this and thinking, that's me. I'm that person who's been saying one day or someday and I've just never got a chance to do it and I don't have the gear. That's okay. You can nominate yourself in the comments below. You just need to let us know that you're nominating yourself by saying something like, this is me. Leave us your name and then why you think you deserve to win this giveaway. At the end of the contest, if you win, all I'm going to ask is for a simple reference to make sure you really are who you say you are. We want to make sure this goes to somebody who's genuinely going to use it for maybe their first or one of their first backpacking trips ever. I can't say enough how thankful I am for every like, comment, view, the people who have reached out to me on social media. This community has grown more than I ever could have imagined, and it couldn't be done without you. And that's why I wanted to bring all of you into this giveaway. So I look forward to seeing those comments below. I'll be in the comments giving my thumbs up to people who I think deserve it, and I'll see you at the end of September. And in the meantime, you know what to do. Just keep moving forward.